Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change panel title in Grafana. Now let me actually come here and open a new panel. So click on add, click on visualization, and here is our panel, right? And if you want to change this title right here, you just come on the right hand side where it says title under panel options. Okay. I want you to change the name. You can just highlight this and change it to anything you want. Let's just say A series. Okay. We'll just name this A series and you can go ahead and save this and you'll find it in your dashboard. Okay. So let me just show you here. We go back to dashboard. It's named A series. So if you find one like this, it's already there and you want to change it, right? You just click on these three dots and then click on edit, right? The same way here on the right hand side under panel options, you're able to change the name. If you can't see it, just click on this down arrow and now you can change the name, right? So let's name this time series and we'll save this as it is. Okay. That's all you have to do. And that is how to change panel title in Grafana.